Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Oman. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Oman, a country on the southeastern coast of the Arabian Peninsula in Western Asia, has a relatively diversified economy, mainly dependent on oil exports, with oil and gas being the key sectors to the nation's economy, as well as tourism, which has experienced increasing growth over the more recent years. Forex trading around the world has become increasingly popular, and as newer traders continue to enter the markets, beginner traders should first find themselves a globally regulated, safe, and reputable Forex broker to trade with. As such, finding a list of some of the best Forex brokers in Oman and worldwide can be a difficult process, especially when searching for a trustworthy broker who accept and offer their services to local investors from this country. So, in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Oman. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have XM. XM is a globally regulated financial broker that operates with clients from over 196 countries and offers support in over 30 different languages. Their main branch is located in Cyprus and is fully regulated by the CySEC. XM specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, metals, energies, and shares. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, standard, XM Ultra Low, and shares accounts that come equipped with negative balance protection, lower leverage, and a variety of tradable base currency options. XM also provides their very own educational resource center, which delves into various trading educational videos, a daily live streaming and podcast service, as well as free webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, in-depth educational experience. At number 4 on our list is OctaFX. OctaFX is an online broker that was established in 2011 and is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. Over 300,000 traders use OctaFX as their preferred financial broker. Specializing in trading and offering services through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader platforms, which are supported on web-based browser applications, Windows, Android, and iOS operating systems. Their accounts feature MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader accounts, with floating spreads, lower minimum deposits, a variety of tradable market instruments, hedging, scalping, advisors, and more. OctaFX also provides their very own educational panels, which covers the basics to Forex trading, a collection of video tutorials, market insights and news, technical analysis panels, an economic calendar, as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading education and knowledge with OctaFX. Coming in at number 3 is IC Markets. IC Markets is an online Forex ECN and CFD broker. Regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, as well as the Seychelles Financial Services Authority. IC Markets specializes and offers services in trading across Forex, commodities, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and futures. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature demo, raw spread, and standard accounts with lower starting deposits, lower spreads, up to 64 tradable currency pairs, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and more. IC Markets also provides their very own educational panels, which delve into beginner's guides to getting started with trading, a range of articles and written educational content which covers trading lessons, analysis and news, as well as a variety of educational videos and webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with IC Markets. At number 2 on our list, we have FX Primus. FX Primus is an online broker founded in 2009, offering Forex trading, social trading, and is a global broker with a head office located in Cyprus. Regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, the Markets in Financial Instruments Directive, and is used by over 10,000 traders. FX Primus offers over 125 different instruments to trade, including 43 currency pairs, specializing in Forex, metals, energies, equities, cryptocurrencies, indices, and futures. Available platforms are provided on MetaTrader 4, which is supported on their web-based browser application, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on Demo, Standard, VIP, Variable, and ECN Premium accounts, with access to a wide range of advanced trading tools, multilingual customer support services, SMS alerts, daily market outlooks, one-on-one consultations, and more. FX Primus also provides their very own educational center, which delves into weekly market analytics, general market commentary from expert guests, seminars, webinars, daily market news, trading calculators, and an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional trading education with FX Primus. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Oman, we have Trading 212. Trading 212 is an online financial broker founded in 2006 and offers a wide range of market instruments to trade. Trading 212 is a global broker that is based in the United Kingdom and specializes in trading through Forex, commodities, stocks, and indices. Regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Financial Supervision Commission, Trading 212 is the UK's #1 trading and investment platform and is home to over 1 million traders. Their accounts feature demo, CFD, investing, and ISA accounts with lower minimum deposits, no commission charges, guaranteed stop losses, negative balance protection, a variety of base currency options, and more. Platforms are available on Trading 212's web and mobile applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Trading 212 also provides their very own educational center, which features a variety of helpful educational videos, written educational content, news and analytics panels, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Trading 212. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Oman on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.